Hello there, and welcome to weekly asylum and immigration updates, where I share with you 5 top stories of interest to asylum seekers and those who want to stay current on immigration news in the UK.
In this week's news, we are discussing the UK government has pledged to dismantle the operations of people smugglers to curb small boat channel crossings in 2025. Recent changes to the policy on granting leave to survivors of human trafficking. The UK increases financial requirements for student visas in 2025. Refugee Council calls for special visas for asylum seekers and channel crossers. And finally, the Home Office introduces measures to crack down on UK immigration compliance.
I am Sharita Cupid, an immigration lawyer dedicated to helping immigrants secure their future and regularize their immigration status in the United Kingdom. I assist with asylum claims and any other immigration applications. It is my pleasure to bring you weekly asylum and immigration hot topics right here on my YouTube channel, All Things Legal. Please continue to like, share, subscribe, and turn your notification on. Let's dive into the news. First up,
the UK government has pledged to dismantle the operations of people smugglers to curb small boat channel crossings in 2025. The Home Office announced potential court orders to restrict suspected organizers, including bans on laptops, phones, and social media. Home Secretary Yvette Cooper stated, "Criminal smugglers endanger lives and compromise border security. They cannot be allowed to get away with it."
Our second topic is
recent changes to the policy on granting leave to remain for trafficking survivors following a positive conclusive grounds decision, which is the final stage of trafficking identification, have continued to cause confusion and distress. On the 11th of July 2024, the Home Office paused all decisions on temporary permission to stay for trafficking and slavery victims. The decision-making was resumed in August 2024. Article 14 of the Council of Europe Convention on Action Against Trafficking in Human Beings, ECAT, survivors are entitled to a renewable residence permit. However, the UK's approach has increasingly diverged from this standard, leading to legal challenges. In October 2024, an updated policy introduced changes but remains overly restrictive. These limitations could undermine efforts to combat trafficking and modern slavery, offering little incentive for survivors to cooperate with the system.
Next, let's move on to the third immigration update.
Are you dreaming of studying in the United Kingdom? If so, you will need to be prepared for some changes to the financial requirements for visas in 2025. The UK government has announced an increase in the amount of money that international students will need to show they have available to cover their living expenses. From January 2nd, 2025, international students applying for UK study visas must demonstrate higher financial statements to cover living expenses. For example, for courses in London, it's £1,483 per month, up from £1,136. For courses outside London, it is £1,136 per month, up from £1,023. This increase does not apply to students already residing in the UK.
Our fourth topic is
the Refugee Council has urged the UK to issue 10,000 special visas to prevent channel deaths and provide safe, legal routes for migrants, following a record number of fatalities in 2024. The proposal aims to reduce reliance on smugglers and warns that without action, deaths could rise further in 2025. A Home Office spokesperson stated, "Every life lost at sea is a tragedy. Our efforts remain focused on saving lives and securing borders."
And finally, Here is our 5th immigration update for the week.
In 2025, the Home Office has announced new measures to curb abuse on the immigration system in the UK, including banning employers from charging employees for visa sponsorship, enhanced penalties for non-compliance, including financial fines, business closures, and prosecution, and finally, increased enforcement, including over 6,600 visits to businesses suspected of hiring illegal workers in 2025.
And that's the end of this week's asylum and immigration update. If you want the best advice for your asylum claim or any other immigration application, then give us a call today or send us an email. We help people all over the country, so it doesn't matter where you are. Do not suffer in silence. Give us a call or send us an email. Let us help you find a solution to your immigration issue. Once again, I am Sharisa Cupid, and it's an honor to serve you with your immigration journey.